I want to show you how to make a very good paper glider. It flies very well, and just so you know, you down thumbers who are out there who didn't like any of my videos, this is my last unless my subscribers or the people who like me ask for more videos. So this is probably my last video that I'll be making unless there's other comments. You can just comment if you guys like this video or like my videos, and you can ask for more, but this is just my last video, probably. So, all you need is just an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper, and you're just going to fold it in half. Fold it in half like that, unfold, and then at the top you can use a measurer. I'm not going to use a measurer, I'm just going to estimate as just about an inch. Fold down 1 inch of your paper, or approximately an inch. Fold down just like that, then fold over it, fold over it again, crease very well, fold it over again, until you folded it over 7 times in total. So that's just about 7 times. So yeah, it's just about an inch, and you should have 2 inches left. So if you unfold all your folds again, you should just fold down once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So, and once you get 7 inches total of paper, and then once you get that, all you have to do is just fold it in half. Then fold down this side just about an inch, so that you have about an inch, a little bit less. I do a little bit less than an inch. A little less than an inch. Down, do the same on this side. This plane flies amazingly well. It's an outdoor plane, and I'll show you how to fly it. Alright, so once you get it folded just like that, you can unfold them or do whatever you want, as long as it keeps that nice fold just like that. And then you're going to fold up your fins, or your side flaps, up just like, I don't know, about like a centimeter or something. And then do the same on the other side. Just fold it up until it matches the sides. Unfold this and unfold those flaps. And now you've got a very good paper airplane. Since this plane is going to be flying in my room, it won't be flying very well, but if you try it outside, it will fly well. Techniques to flying this. It is just kind of throw it up as high as you can get it if you're outside, and then it'll be gliding for a long time. So I'll be doing a little test in my room, but it might not fly very well since this isn't one of my best models of it. And I've made other better ones. This is just one of them. So. there it went. It went under my bed, but it was a pretty good flight. Not sure where it went, but as you guys saw it, it was a really good flight. So that's my last video until you subscribers or you guys who like my videos ask for more on the comments page. Other than that, I'm not making any more videos because I've had some rough comments and not any down thumbs, but just bad comments. So I haven't been getting the best comments lately. Like, I got one that was like, stop your videos. So that's just about my last video, guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And can't really stay tuned for any more videos now. Unless you guys ask for more. So, yeah. See you later, YouTube.